So many users recently started complaining about not being able to mount external drives after installing the recent update. Updates can sometimes mess up the settings of your Mac and cause such issues. Now this means you cannot access your drive or view the files in it. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix this issue on your Mac and start using the external hard drive again. Step 1. Change macOS drive display settings. So for this, click on this Finder icon on the dock. Now, click on this Finder button on the menu bar and then click on Settings. Now, check this option. So this should now show the external hard drive on your Mac. In case the issue is still not fixed, then try the next method in this video. Step 2. Manually mount the drive. So for this, open the launchpad from this icon. Now, search for disk utility and press enter to open it. Now, from the left pane, select your drive and then click on mount button. So this will now mount the drive and you should be able to use it now. Step 3. Reconnect the drive. If you are facing issues with the external drive, then disconnect the drive from a Mac. Clean the port and then connect the drive again. See if that fixes the issue, or else move to the next step in this video. Step 4. Relaunch Finder. Click on this Apple icon and then click on Force Quit. Now select Finder and then click on Relaunch button. Step 5. Restart your Mac. If this issue is encountered due to some temporary glitch, then restarting your Mac should fix it. So for this, click on this Apple icon on the top left corner. Now, click on Restart. Click on Restart again. Now once your Mac reboots, check if the issue is fixed or not. Step 6. Use First Aid. So for this, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here, search for disk utility and press enter to open it. Now on the left side, select your drive. Now click on First Aid option and then click on Run. After the process is complete, click on Done. Step 7. Reformat your drive. If you have tried every step in this video, but the issue is still not solved, then try reformatting your drive. Click on this launchpad icon on the dock and then search for disk utility and press enter to open it. Now on the left side, select your drive and then click on the Erase button. Now type the name of the drive. Select the format and then click on Erase. Now wait for the process to complete. Now this should fix the issue and you should now be able to mount external drives on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, visit our website itechx.com for more such tech guides and content.